This is my 4th of July tea station for 2021. Hope you enjoyed watching me put it together today. It was really fun and interesting. I thought it turned out beautifully too. My daughter did the beautiful 4th of July plates to put a treat on. She also made the little sundaes that say America the Beautiful. I was really impressed by them. Are they not beautiful? And of course, we have our beautiful fireworks that I bought at Michael's. They are just beautiful, and they can be used year after year. And don't they look beautiful for the 4th of July? All the beautiful florals you see here were all from Dollar Tree. So that was not an expensive collection of beautiful 4th of July either. I bought them about a month ago. I don't know if you can even find them now. I bought the barn at Cracker Barrel's a couple of years ago, and I bought it because I love seeing the American flag on it. And as you can see, I have my little farmer girl fairy. I saw her, I don't know, I bought her like 3-4 years ago. When I saw her, I've had her for like 3 or 4 years, and the same with the little piglets. A lot of times they're in the house, that's why they still look so good. But they're very hard to find. So when I found a fairy with a farm theme, you know I snagged that right up. And that's why I don't let her outside too much, because I don't want her to get messed up. Because I've been doing fairy gardens for a lot of years, and this is the first one I bought. And I would buy more if I could find them. So they're not easy to find. And I don't want her broke. And the same with the barn. It doesn't stay out either, because it's one of my favorites. So this is my farm theme that doesn't really stay out. I have some things that do stay out, but these items are not one of them. And you see we have our tea out. And we still are working with the American flag theme on this also. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, I really thought it turned out really nice. Let me know what you thought. Oh, I forgot to mention. And then of course I got these apples for, I don't know, like $1.30 or something at some little store here in town. And you know what screams America more in 4th of July than apples? And everyone loves apples. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed my 4th of July tea station. I thought it turned out really nice, and I think it lets you know it's 4th of July time, doesn't it? It screams it out to me. And the fireworks really do add a lot to know it's 4th of July. Because when do we have fireworks? 4th of July. Please let me know what was your favorite piece in the tea station for 4th of July. I thought the fireworks were my favorite to let you know it's 4th of July. But of course, my very favorite is the barn and my little fairy and the little piglets. I just love that. Alone by itself could be a display, and I do love it. And I do use her with the piglets a lot because they're my favorite. And my daughter did an awesome job putting these sundaes together that says Bank America the Beautiful, and of course the plates were beautiful too, and you can see the fireworks in that also. I thought everything turned out well, so it's hard for me to really say what was my favorite because everything is beautiful. And the best part of all, I can use this next 4th of July. I may arrange it a little differently by a couple new pieces, but basically it will be the same pieces because you couldn't ask for anything prettier for the 4th of July, I thought. These are some new flowers that I got at Dollar Tree that I've never seen before there, and they really were beautiful. and different looking, and I got a pair of them, and I've used them already, a lot already too. Well, let me know what you thought of Grandma's 4th of July tea station. Hugs and kisses to all of my awesome friends and all the lovely support you always give me. Really is appreciated so much.